Welcome to Amity University Noida, a global leader in private education. It stands for research, innovation, and student success. With over 250,000 students and more than 700,000 alumni across 120 nations, Amity represents a truly international learning ecosystem built on 30 years of academic excellence. More than 9,000 students at Amity have achieved a score of 90% or above in their Class 12 board examinations. Through 450+ programs and collaborations with 1,200+ corporate partners, students gain real-world exposure through live projects, internships, and direct mentorship from industry leaders. A strong focus on research and innovation powers 400+ high-end labs, research centers, and centers of excellence, supported by 300+ research collaborations with government bodies and leading corporates. Our faculty's achievements speak for themselves. 81 professors featured among the top 2% scientists globally, Stanford University list, and over 45,000 research papers published in Scopus Index journals. Amity has 405+ patents granted, supported by a robust pipeline of 2,400+ filings from its faculty, researchers, and students. Recognized as India's only private university ranked for graduate employability, Amity's reputation extends across industries, with 6,000+ placements in 2024 to 25 and 800+ companies recruiting from campus. Amity students receive offers exceeding industry standards from leading global organizations. This is Amity University Noida, where innovation meets purpose, where learning creates impact.